Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know. Put it down in the comments. So I got another box in. So we are going to be unboxing this box of awesomeness. I do love this subscription. It is, obviously, the box from Fashionsta. And I have been getting this subscription since they started, gosh, about a year and a half ago. I think that's it. It's $24.99 a month. You get all full-size products, and a lot of the products are cruelty-free, vegan, in addition to indie brands. So I absolutely love that about this subscription. Now, this is the May 2021 box. Let's dive in and see what's in here. I don't think I've seen any spoilers for this. Have you? Okay. So, the theme this month is Inner Beauty. And on the other side of the card is a full list of all the products in this month's box. Let's get right to it. It always comes very nice and safely packaged. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing is a popsicle stick. No, really, it's a popsicle stick. Okay, clearly it goes to something. Now, the first thing I'm pulling out is from Gypsy Soul Originals. And it says clean skincare. I've got a hair. It's tickling my face. This is what the packaging looks like. So this is actually a face toner, and it's got cactus flower in it, and it retails for $30. Mama loves a toner. Good toner. Ooh, look at that. Nice pretty glass bottle. And it's like a sprayer. I put all my toners in like spray bottles that I reuse. That's a pricey toner. It wasn't very big either for 30 bucks. That's okay. Okay, next is from Earth Harbor. And it is the Laguna Refreshing Body Serum. Okay, so a body serum, not a face serum. This retails for $26. And it says it promotes feelings of skin respiration. Okay. Why does that sound weird to me? I don't know. Okay. And, okay, so skin respiration and intercellular energy. Impressive. While delivering deep nourishment, hydration, and a gorgeous luster to your skin. Okay. I think I need some skin respiration. I mean, okay, you let your skin breathe. I get it. Okay, next is from Hala Neon. And it is a tinted lipstick balm. Okay. And it retails for $17. It moisturizes with a hint of shine. Oh, okay, look at the color. Says that upside down. Ooh, that's so pretty. I love the packaging. That's super cool. Ooh, look at that. Okay. I'm not going to swatch it. You'll see why in a second. Okay, so we've got something else from Earth Harbor. So we got 2 Earth Harbor things. And this is called Aurora. And it's a superfood luminance ampule. This retails for $32. It's the most divine way to serenely energize and soothe skin while introducing dewy luminance, giving your face illuminating superfood nutrition. Oh, okay. I'm seeing the thing that the popsicle stick goes to. This is super cool. It's a sugar wax for, like, hair removal. It's from Nurture by Nature. Nurture from nature? Yes. Okay, it's been a long day. All right. It is a 2-ounce sugar wax, and it retails for $10. It's the perfect hair removal solution for sensitive skin and all hair types. Okay, last but not least is by Catherine Natural Cosmetics, and it's the Kindness Palette. It retails for $28. It's got a really nice little mirror. And look! Now that is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, those colors. And that glitter. Okay, I'm not going to swatch it. You know why? Because I'm going to pack up this entire box and send it to one of you guys. Yeah. So, I am starting after hitting 4,500 subscribers and getting on my final road to 5K, which I know I'm still such a little channel, but y'all mean so much to me. You do. And to me, 5K is huge. I like little accomplishments. I do. It's the little things that matter the most. And like I said, I appreciate you guys more than I can ever express. So I have been saving up goodies over the past several months and buying stuff so that, one, I can get ready for a super duper big 5K giveaway, but also do bonus giveaways as we lead up to me getting my 5K. So this entire box of goodies, everything that we went over today, which is a total of $143 worth of goodies. And I'll even throw the card in so you can see a description of everything in the box. So, yeah. What do you got to do to enter to get this entire box of goodies? Well, I would love it if you would give my video a big thumbs up. That would be so much appreciated. I would also love it if you were a subscriber on my channel. It would make my day and help me just a little bit more towards my 5K. Also, too, you got to be 18 years or older and also have a U.S. shipping address or U.S. resident. Sadly, I cannot do international shipping quite yet. I can't afford it. I've tried a couple of times and it was like so expensive. So for right now, I got to hold off a little bit longer. YouTube pay is not that good. Trust me. So with that, what else do you got to do? I do use a YouTube random comment picker to pick the winners. So leave a comment down below. And what word should we include? What secret word? I'm not going to overthink this, you guys. Just put the name of the box in your comment. Right? The box. Make it easy. Okay. Also, too, I will run this for 1 week. So next week, I will draw a winner. All the dates and everything will be in my description box, along with all of the other rules. I would also love it if you would go swing by my Instagram and follow me over there. And I'm also working on my Twitter and Facebook to build that up, just so that, you know, I can accommodate whatever social media y'all use, each of you use the most, to get you notifications of what I've got coming out. So, okay. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Like my video, subscribe to my channel. What else? Oh, my disclosure. Ready? Okay. YouTube is not affiliated in any way, shape, or form with my giveaway. YouTube is not liable. They are not responsible. They have absolutely nothing to do whatsoever with my giveaway. It's my giveaway. And I am the only sponsor. I have purchased all the products on my own, or purchased the box that they came in on my own, unless otherwise specified. So, that is it. Again, all of the information is down in my description box, other than the secret word, but we already went over that. Good luck to everybody, and thank you again. You guys mean the world to me. And if I don't say it enough, because gosh knows I do try to, I wouldn't have my channel without you. And it is such a wonderful escape for me to do these videos for you. It really does help my issues between anxiety, depression, back issues. I'm just falling apart. But like I said, you guys have all become my extended family and friends. So thank you. Good luck again. Love you bunches. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.